Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ASUS ROG Phone 5S to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. From this screen over here, you need to select I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now choose Receive on Android and Send on ASUS. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and tap Get It. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan this QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now just wait a bit, and as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!